Hey guys, welcome back. This is JJ Saleh, aka John Saleh, aka your friendly neighborhood Saleh man. Today we're diving into the Simple Freedom Warriors Review, a system designed to help you make money online, build a team, and finally escape the 9 to 5 rat race. Now let me ask you something. Have you ever felt stuck trying to make money online? Have you ever tried affiliate marketing only to struggle with team building? Are you tired of watching others succeed while you stay in the same place? Well, this system changes everything. And trust me, you'll want to watch into the end because I'm revealing exactly how you can start with just $7, upgrade out of profit, and work your way up to $15,000 commissions. Hold on for one moment. Sorry, that's $1,500 instant commissions without any tools up front. Now smash that like button, subscribe, and let's dive into it. Now, before we get started, an important disclaimer. Making money online takes effort. There are no guarantees, and your success depends on you, your strategy, execution, and drive. This video is for educational purpose only, and I'm here to help you find the best tools and mentorship to build your business. Now, before we break down Simple Freedom Warriors, let me introduce myself. My name is John Saleh, and I've been in the affiliate marketing space for about 12 to 13 years now. I know exactly what it's like to try systems that promise results but never deliver. And believe me, I was stuck for years searching for the right mentor, the right system, and the right strategy. But I finally found it and him. And let me tell you why this moment matters more than ever. Here's my wife's story. Give me a second. And this is written from my wife's point of view. So if you're reading while I break this down, that's great. All right. It's written from my son's point of view. 6 months ago, my wife's life changed forever. She was hit by a speeding car going over 45 miles an hour. And even today, she still can't walk and still requires nurse assistance and still faces overwhelming medical bills. We do. Her injuries, C2, C6, and C7 neck fractures. Okay. Broken tibia and fibula in her left leg. She also has a broken femur in her right leg. Subdermal hematoma and blood clot in her brain that doctors taking very seriously. Imagine that happened to you or someone you love. Imagine the stress, fear, and financial burden of facing endless hospital bills. As you can see, we've only raised $445 to this point on GoFundMe. Would you be ready? Would you have the financial freedom to handle it? Because let me tell you this isn't just about making money online. It's about having options, security, and control when life throws you unexpected chaos. That's why I'm here today. That's why Simple Freedom Warriors matters. And I'm going to break it down even more. Tomorrow's never promised. We don't know what's coming. Anytime we step out of the house or we go to sleep. Tomorrow's not promised. Anything can happen. You could lose your job. Anything can happen. And honestly, if everything goes perfectly, still, if you can't make the money work now and inflation's going up 15% every year and you might be lucky to get a 2% raise, you're losing 13% every year. And not only that, but how are you going to retire on 40% of what you're making right now that isn't working? Okay? So, Simple Freedom Warriors is different. It's simple. It's scalable and it's designed for real duplication. Okay, you start with just $7. Okay, you upgrade as you don't need any tools. Now, if you have tools and you have the ability to get started for more, you obviously want the extra training and you want the ability to make more money, right? You can earn as you go. Upgrade out of profit, scaling up to $1,500 instant commissions. Built-in membership and duplication strategy. So every new member gets full training making team building easier. You earn high-ticket commissions without needing thousands of signups. And YouTube ranking training included. Free for all team members, okay? Here's the best part. You're not doing this alone. You'll be part of the best team with the best bonuses and the best mentorship. And I want to go over this real quick because this is not no cookie cutter program, okay? Look at all this you get for $7, okay? This is amazing, okay? This is what you get. That's what you get for $7, okay? It's not no cookie cutter program, okay? Speaking of earning online, let's talk about what our team is absolutely dominating YouTube rankings. I'm going to show you different terms every single video. So you see this is real And you see, as you can see, I'm not signed in, okay? Now, affiliate meta review, I'm only going to name the people on our team. Michael De La Cruz. Postcard Lifestyle. Postcard Lifestyle. Make money online with JJ. That's me from a day ago. Affiliate Mentor 2045 review. Another one from me. Another one from me. These are 4 different team members. 1, 2, 3, 4 that are recommended in the shorts. Okay. Postcard Lifestyle. Business and Marketing with Fanchone. Mr. Orange Dream. Brian Zittleman, brand new team member. Postcard Lifestyle. Saeem. Postcard Lifestyle. Mr. Orange Dream. There's another one from me. See, we practice what we preach. If you follow this training, you will rank your videos. And you don't have to do videos where you're on the screen like this. That was me. But you don't have to be on the screen. You can do a video like I'm doing right now and succeed, okay? Obviously, if you're willing to put yourself on camera, that's even better. Here's another one that's a recommended short. And there's Mr. Orange Dream, Postcard Lifestyle, and Mr. Orange Dream again. So as you can see, and Charles S. Dukes. So as you can see, our team is dominating with this strategy. Okay, give a man your fish, you can feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish, you feed him for a lifetime. So what this is unlike, you're not building an MLM or something like that. Okay, it's not a pyramid scheme. It's direct pay, it's instant pay, and you get started and work your way out of profit for a one-time $7. Obviously, if you have more, you don't need any tools, you don't need an autoresponder, you don't need your own website. You'll need it eventually to make the real money, you know. You have to build your list. But before, we have a way that you can take $7 and run with it and upgrade as you go, okay? And as you can see, I'm looking for affiliate meta review. I'm not signed in. Michael De La Cruz, #1 video. Okay, well, #2, sorry. The sponsor does not count, okay? Here's another one, Postcard Lifestyle. There's 3 different videos from our team, okay? In the shorts. Postcard Lifestyle. That's weird. Cologne? There's me, okay? There's another one from me. The one from me, first one from me is 1 day ago, okay? Here's another. Fanchone. Postcard Lifestyle. Are you seeing what the power of this is? Postcard Lifestyle. We are dominating. This is one team. Make money online with JJ. Make money online with JJ. Postcard Lifestyle. Mr. Orange Dream. Postcard Lifestyle. Postcard Lifestyle. How do you win at Monopoly? You get the right properties and then you work your way to getting the houses. Multiple houses. And a hotel. And people land on you when they're searching for these terms, right? And they see that you are the team, you are the training and the mentor and the person that they've been looking for to solve their problems, which is how to make money online, because only about 2% of people are actually making money online. Postcard Lifestyle. Business and Marketing with Fanchone. You will give a man a fish, you feed him for a day, teach a man a fish, you feed him for a lifetime. What this is again, is training to build any program, okay? This will help you build any program. And if your program goes down, you still have the skills to keep going. You're not back at 0, okay? Now now I personally got 7 sales. Okay, I'm going to show you right quick. As I can see, 7 sales in the last 10 days while helping 2 members get their first 2 sign-up seats. And I'm going to show you proof of this. You've just Psycho. Congratulations, you earned a $50 Spark Matrix Psycho commission. You've also unlocked a new Spark training model and another Matrix position. So another $50 is possible, okay? As you can see, this is the completed board, okay? And I'll show you that I helped Cheryl and Bobby get 2 people, okay? These are all sponsored John Solly. See? That's me, okay? I started on 5/21, got my first, and by 5/31, I had 10 days later, I had 6. And then, as you can see, Brett Langston, that's another sale, 7 sales, okay? And look at Cheryl Hanna. She's got 2 people from John Solly, right? So I'm not just talking the talk. We walk the walk. This does work. Kaya Edwards and Vincent for Bobby, for sponsor John Solly, okay? So this is definitely working, okay? And this is the new ability to make another $50. And not only do we make $50, but when our teammates completes a board, which we help you, you get we'll make 25, and so will you, okay? But this isn't about Affiliate Manor. This is about Simple Freedom Warriors. Our members are ranking, getting views, and making sales thanks to our exclusive team training. And you get all this you get the training once you get the $7 position, okay? You get the $7 training and you will learn so much skills. I told you, it's not cookie cutter, okay? Let me go back real quick and I'll be right back. This is all for the $7. New member orientation, disclaimer, set up an LLC, how to start marketing, set up Facebook, set up Instagram, set up YouTube, set up LinkedIn, set up X, set up Pinterest, set up your branded funnel, test your funnel, set up SFW affiliate funnel, earn 50%. All for $7, okay? And again, you can upgrade at a profit if you want. If you can, get started getting where you fit in, okay? If you have the tools, that make it even easier, okay? Now, we also have the step-by-step YouTube domination strategy. This is what you get when you join Simple Freedom Warriors today. SEO hacks to rank fast on YouTube and Google. Personalized mentoring to ensure success. And the best part, this applies to your members too. So when you bring new people, they're getting this training, okay? And you're making money. You make 50% instant commission on every single level, okay, that you're in. And you get the training to keep going, to learn more. Grow phase, scale phase. We even teach you how to trade Bitcoin, okay? And here's the free bonuses. MLMS, 49 profitable headlines, and daily marketing checklist. Now listen, guys. I'm telling you, this is the best team. I'm going to show you real proof right here. Not only, this is something I haven't even mentioned, okay, in any of my videos, I don't think. This is the... Please create all your social media accounts in the build phase. So pick a reel on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, or TikTok. And you like the video. Comment on the reel and watch the reel twice so it gets a loop feel. Repeat this for view. Repeat this for 5 other members before you post your video to get boosted. So imagine having a 1-minute video and multiple people are not only watching the whole 1 minute, they are watching it twice. Okay? That's just a real strategy. And here's another one. We haven't even been using this and people are dominating already. Okay? Now, this is the YouTube. Watch the video all the way through with your volume slightly up to you can watch 5 videos at one time. So this goes way faster for you. Like the video, comment on the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notifications. Repeat this for 5 other members before you post your video, get boosted. When you post your video, you must post our post template below. You're giving YouTube and the Reels exactly what they want, okay? They're getting exactly what they want, so you're going to blow up. And we haven't even been using this. Listen, guys, I'm telling you, this is the best team, the best training, and the best system for making money online in 2025. If you're serious about quitting your 9-to-5, if you're ready to build a real business from home, and if you're done struggling, then stop waiting. Text me right now at 775-460-7938. Click the first link in the description and get started. And if this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe, and comment below what you found most valuable in this video. To recap, Simple Freedom Warriors Review is your key to making money online and building a scalable affiliate business. Start with just $7, no tools needed, upgrade as you profit, scaling up to $1,500 commissions. Instant commissions, direct pay. Nobody's stopping your money. It's going straight to you and however you want it. You want PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Venmo, doesn't matter, okay? And our YouTube training and duplication model ensures success for your team and your team's team. Best team, best bonuses, best training, period. This is JJ Saleh, aka John Saleh, aka your friendly neighborhood Saleh man. Don't delay. Get with JJ today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.